The obstacle sensing stops working at night. Yes, really. DJI's new Mini 5 Pro costs over $1,000, but the nightscape obstacle sensing is useless in the dark, the one time you'd actually need it. The 1-inch CMOS sensor is a genuine upgrade over the Mini 4 Pro's 1/1.3-inch, delivering noticeably better low-light footage with less noise and more dynamic range. In my twilight tests, the Mini 5 Pro kept detail and shadows that the older model crushed to black. The 225 degrees flexible gimbal is a creative game-changer, letting you tilt the camera straight up or down without moving the drone. I shot a full vertical pan of a cliff face that would have been impossible on any other sub-250 grams drone. ActiveTrack 360 degrees is sticky and reliable. It held a cyclist through tight tree cover and quick direction changes, staying locked even when the subject briefly disappeared behind a branch. DJI's tracking algorithms are still the best in the business. The Fly More combo's 3 batteries and 115-minute total charge time mean you can practically fly all day. I got 34 minutes per battery in calm conditions, and the fast-charging hub cycles through all 3 without babysitting. At 249 grams, it stays under the registration threshold in most countries, and the 42 gigabytes internal storage is a welcome safety net when you forget a microSD card. The RC2 controller's bright screen is also excellent in direct sunlight. Here's what you get. Ultralight, palm-sized foldable design. Compact and foldable, this palm-sized drone slips easily into a pocket and offers 42 gigabytes of internal storage for uninterrupted flying. 7 1-inch CMOs with 4K/60 frames per second HDR video. 1-inch CMOs sensor captures 4K/60 frames per second HDR video with sharp detail and vibrant colors for stunning high-quality footage, and true vertical filming and 225 degrees flexible gimbal rotation. Capture creative footage with a gimbal that offers true vertical filming and 225 degrees roll rotation from diverse angles and heights. The nightscape obstacle sensing is a marketing lie. DJI claims it enhances safety for night flights, but the vision sensors still rely on ambient light. In my pitch-dark test, the drone had no idea a tree was dead ahead, and it only stopped because the LiDAR caught it at the last second. This is a $1,056 drone that can't see in the dark. The 1-inch sensor is great, but it's still capped at 4K/60 frames per second. No 5.3K like the Air 3, and number 10-bit D-Log-M without a paid upgrade. For the price, the Mini 5 Pro's video specs feel a generation behind what competitors offer at this tier. The price is the real problem. At $1,056, the Fly More combo costs more than a used Air 3 with a larger sensor and better obstacle avoidance. DJI is charging a premium for the Mini label, but you're paying for size, not capability. The RC2 screen, while bright, is a fingerprint magnet and has no HDMI out, so you can't easily share the feed with a second viewer. The controller also lacks a built-in microphone for voice notes, which is a weird omission at this price point. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is the best sub-250 grams drone you can buy, but it's not worth $1,056 unless you absolutely need the tiny size and the flexible gimbal. If you can live with a slightly heavier drone, the Air 3 offers more for less. Check the current price in the link below and see if the Mini 5 Pro's size is worth the premium, or save $200 with the Air 3.